maybe this. Yeah, we'll go with it. What's going on, guys? So I'm back with another, yes, you guessed it, reading mean comments. The last one was a lot of fun, and I was reading through some of them before doing this video, and yeah, there's some good ones in there. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here's a good one. This is the worst video I have ever seen. I highly doubt that's true. That's no. What is that? Passive aggressive? I don't. Good Lord, you guys with this one. Okay, I'm a human. I made a mistake. I've studied these snakes all my life. Wait a sec. I think that maybe. First off, that was taken out of context. What I said was, yes, it's a northern water snake. I know everything there is to know about these. Wait a minute. This might be a Midland water snake. I don't know. If you're gonna make fun of me and call me on some BS, at least get it right. Just saying. Dude, F that. You can't do that here in Texas. You will die. Well, that's why I did it here in Kentucky. His nose is bigger than my future. So it looks like you have a very big, bright, beautiful future ahead of you, my good sir. I know everything there is to know about these guys, followed by, I don't know. See, previous guy, to take notes, he had it at least in context, so I can't say anything about it. Repent and turn to Jesus. Heaven and hell is real and eternal. Surrender your life to Jesus. After death, no more chances. A, I am a born-again Christian. B, I didn't think that video was that serious. Did I miss something? Was there like a cult going on behind me that I missed? Were there some satanic symbols going on? Okay, this one isn't mean, but I read it, I just wanted to throw this out there because it made me feel really good reading it. I just came up on this video and started watching it, and honestly I have to say I haven't seen any YouTube channel that shares the passion of catching snakes and amphibians as I do, and it just goes to show how rare herpetologists really are. Herpetologists study of reptiles and amphibians. Glad we could share the passion, man. What are you going to do when you grab a snake and it's a cottonmouth? Well, I'm going to educate you on everything that I know and all the constructive information that I can give you about the cottonmouth to help turn your fear for this snake into a respect and eventually possibly a love. The underpath belongs to devil worshippers. I'm gonna go back and watch this video because obviously there's some demonic crap going on in there that I missed. It's the second comment. You guys tell me I'm basically going to hell. I feel like he would see a rattlesnake and he would be like, you see, that's a rattlesnake. I'm gonna touch it. Yep. This guy looks like Matt Damon and Wentworth Miller had a child. I don't know if that's supposed to be an insult or a compliment. Josh, the friendly gamer bee, said at livestream, hey man, was that a pentagram at 2:33? Alright, now we're getting somewhere with this demonic demon thing, and everybody else is not seeming like crazy right now. So I'm gonna go back and watch that. Oh! Oh! Okay, so if you go back and watch the video, if you look right there at the 2:33 mark, yep, that would be a pentagram. Alright, so all the demonic comments kind of starting to make sense now. I missed that one like crazy. Wow, you guys are good. Alright, well, I ran through all the mean comments on extreme herping, so that's gonna do it. I figured there'd be a lot more. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe right here in the center. Watch one of the other two videos. The extreme herping one is one of them. I don't know which one yet, if you want to go back and watch that one. But let me know which other video I should probably do some mean comments on. Because I've got a few in mind, but I kind of want to see what you guys want to hear me go on about with the mean comments. I'm rambling. Love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.